Good morning or afternoon, boys. This is Miss Apps. You've been asked to use Seneca, however I know this has been quite unreliable for some of you. So what we're going to do instead is investigate our migration story. The story of migration to Britain, the movement of people to and from our island, has a history that is thousands and thousands of years old. Throughout history, people have come to our island from all over the world, and British people too have emigrated, left Britain for different reasons and opportunities on different shores. Your family, as well as your St Thomas the Apostle teachers, will have migration stories. Our area of South London is known for its diversity, for example. You may have family who have come from the Caribbean, West Africa, Asia, or Eastern Europe. You've certainly been taught by teachers from a range of backgrounds as well. I want you to investigate Britain's history of migration, therefore. I've emailed you all a work booklet and you can find a link to it below. You can use your history book, Word or paper. What I will though be asking you to do is to check in with your teachers and share evidence of your work via email. You will mainly be using the Runnymede Trust's Our Migration Story website. You can find this at www.ourmigrationstory.org.uk. You'll be working through the sections of migration history chronologically. First, we're going to look at ancient and medieval migrations to Britain. Click on the section AD 43 to 1500 and watch the video from the historian there. Once you've watched the video, you'll be directed to go on a trail through the website looking at particular items and particular stories. Read about them and then complete the directed tasks. As you follow the trail of the story of migration throughout our history, you'll come across stories that you are already familiar with. For example, the story of Pocahontas or the Black Tudors, as well as stories you may be familiar with from your own community, such as the Windrush generation. So what do we want you to do? Open up the webpage ourmigrationstory.co.uk and work through the project book. This should probably take you an hour or two each week. You can work in your history book, paper, or if you're lucky enough to have your own computer on Word or PowerPoint. What we would like you to do, boys, however, is to regularly share your work via email at least once a week. If you're stuck at any point, please feel free to email your teachers. And remember, the best projects will receive prizes. Good luck, boys.